first video, I decided to do a what's in my bag slash what fits in the LV Palm Springs mini backpack. Mommy version. So here's the bag. It's very small. It's like the size of my head, but it's like a Mary Poppins bag. Ang dami po niyang laman, promise. So let me show you. First one is pocket tissue. And there is my small wallet. It's a compact wallet. Nandiyan na po yung lahat yung IDs, cash, coins, and cards. And ayan lang siya kaliit. And then a toy. Since I have a toddler, you'll never know kung kailan niya kailangan ng toy. Another one is yung sanitizer. Lahat po ng bagay hinahawakan ng mga toddlers, guys. So it's better na to have sanitizer or alcohol inside your bag. Another one is my makeup pouch. Ito po yung make lip and cheek tint. Just put it in your lips and cheek and on the go ka na. Another one is my powder. It's for sensitive skin. Antihistamine. Since I'm allergic to everything. Joke. And earphones. Hair tie. That's all inside my bag. Makeup pouch, I mean. And put it there. And then what else inside? Ta-da! It's mini wipes. Since mini yung bag ko, mini rin yung wipes ko. And last but not the least, yes, it's a diaper and an extra shirt for my toddler. Yung iba po niyang clothes and diapers nasa diaper bag niya sa car, iniiwan ko lang. Ito, dinadala ko inside my bag for emergency. Ayan, hassle na po kasi magdala ng diaper bag since toddler na yung anak ko. Takbo ng takbo. Ayan. Mas okay na nandito na lahat. And then, pag kailangan talaga, punta na lang ng car. Nandun na yung diaper bag sa car. Nandun yung extra set of clothes, wipes, and diapers. So, ayan. Diba? Ito po lahat naman ng bag ko. Mommy version. So, again, this is some extra diapers, and a shirt, sanitizer, pocket tissue, mini wipes, a toy for my toddler, compact wallet, and makeup pouch. Ito yung naman yung makeup pouch ko. Ayan. Yan lang po. So again, if you're interested with this bag, it's very it's very interesting kasi it's a very small bag. Pero sobrang dami niyang malalaman. It's also nice kasi pwede siyang backpack. See? Ayan. Pero pwede mo rin siyang gawing crossbody. So, whatever is convenient for you. And guys, so thank you for watching my first video. See you again next time. Bye!